Now then, where are we? Got a busy day today. Got to do some power washing in my garden, and then also get my hair cut. But first of all, I want to get the power washing done, and power washing the old paint off the back of my garage. And then once I've done that, it can dry and hopefully get it painted in the next day or so. Regarding my hair, I don't know whether to get a haircut, pay 15-16 quid, or to buy a new set of trimmers, because my old ones, they'll cut, and buy a new set of trimmers. My old ones have had it, and shave it myself. I don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do with myself. Right, this is the colour of my garage. I'm going to paint it darker blue like my shed. But what I've got to do is power wash all this loose paint off. I think that'll be the easier way of doing it. Shattered. Quite a busy day today, but I'm enjoying it. Still never got time to cut my hair, but what have I done? I've built a little barbecue, so there we are. That's that finished. Just needs painting now. I want to paint it that colour, but not today. There's Greenie coming on. Dee 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 dee. La 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 la. Oh, this is Jinski's gone out again. Right, let's have a look. Oh, time to do a bit of painting. Two tins of this. Why is it so difficult to get into a tin of paint? Put all that in for now. Put my little brush, my roller. Let's go. Looks similar to me, doesn't it? Anyway, set up now to paint the back of here, then I've got to paint the side. I don't know if I'll do that today. I've learnt as I've got older just to do it as and when you feel. Right, it's getting towards lunchtime. I got fed up doing that. I'll do that another day. So look, apple trees coming on, all blossom. Down the back of the garage. Here's another coat. Built a barbecue the other day. Not the best. I won't be building any houses, but you know what I mean. It's alright. Got my little bird table here. And when I've time, I will sit in my little man cave with my camera and my 100 to 400 lens, which will take me right onto the bird table. I'm not into birds, I'm into photography, and something to do when I'm sitting relaxing in my little man cave. I can sit down with a brew sit here, remote control on my camera, don't even have to move from here, it's pre-focused, and when they land, the only thing that's been landing are a couple of pigeons. I think they are wood pigeons. They're the ones that go woo 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 woo, and I think they're making a nest in the tree there. I'm sure they are, because I've seen them when I've been doing my barbecue with a lot of twigs in the mouths. Time to get in for a shower. I've been doing a bit of creosoting as well, and I'm going to have a wander into town. It's exciting stuff. A couple of little birds came down and then shut off because the door moved. So they know the food's here. And what I have noticed, I think, as well, is more bird noises. They know that there's food here, but they'll be aware. Watch out for that fat bloke that's knocking around all the time, they'll be saying to each other. So when it all settles down, get my camera and get it set up, I'm looking forward to getting some good shots. But what I'm doing as well, keep putting food out, it's going, I'm training them to come to the table. Utter nonsense. Now then, I've been out and treated myself today. Not then, there for the birds. And bought myself a little music system. It's got DAB radio, Bluetooth, MP3 and all that sort of stuff. I need a bit of music in my life. So I got 25% off it because it's been on the shelf. So I'm happy with it. California! It's quite loud, to be honest. I don't know whether to have the speakers together or to spread them apart. I'm doing fine now without you, baby. Without you, baby.